What up guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you a website where you can earn some USDT and it's completely free. Although you can make deposit if you want to, it's optional anyway. To make deposit is optional, but you can actually withdraw from this platform for completely free, guys. And I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. All you need to do is to come in here and you have to watch some advertisements or complete some minor tasks every single day, and you make some extra income, some USDT right here. All right, so you can see over here people that are already earning with this site, getting some USDT every single day. Now I'll be showing you in this video a step-by-step guide on how you can actually participate in this task and start earning some USDT for completely free, guys. And I will show you some other things you need to do in order for you to earn some extra more if you want to. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to know how this thing really works, you need to stick to this video till the end. So to get started, you of this video, go down there, click on it. The link is going to bring you to the page where you can sign up. All right, now if you get to that page, you will see the platform will be having a language like Spanish. It's going to be in Spanish, so all you need to do is to first switch it to English by clicking on a button. You see a button right somewhere here, then you click on it. It's going to show you the option of using English language. Then you select your English, then you are good to go. Then after doing that, the next thing to do, instead of login, you have to create an account. You scroll down a little bit, you see where to create an account, you click on it and you fill in your details and you are good to go. And once that is done, you log in with the same details and you are good to go. All right, so once you finish logging in and you are in the platform this way, click on VIP, click on VIP. All right, click on VIP right here. You do remember, like I said, it's completely free. You do not need to make deposit at first. Okay, so once you get over to VIP this way, you can see we have free over here. We have 10 VIP 1, which is 10 USDT, where so on. You just have to check them out. Now let me explain to you. Now we're going to be going for VIP 0, which is completely free. All you have to do is to click on the buy button right here and it will activate the VIP 0 for you. And now this VIP 0 lasts for just 8 days, meaning you can complete tasks every single day for the next 8 days, and you'll be getting 1.25 USDT every day and a total of 10 USDT at the end of the 8 days. All right, now if you want to earn some more, instead of just withdrawing the 10 USDT, you can equally use it to activate your VIP 1 in order for you to earn some more. All right, and activating VIP 1, you can start earning 1.25 every single day for the next 30 days, which is going to be giving you 7.50 at the end of the month. So you can do the same thing after you get your VIP 1 earnings. You can decide to go again for VIP 2 by taking 25 USDT from what you earn in VIP 1 to continue with VIP 2. All right, so this VIP 2 also is for a period of 30 days and you get 93.90 at the end of the month. All right, so it goes on that way. You just have to take your time. Once you earn from a particular VIP and you want to earn some more, you just use from it to upgrade the next account, the next level. All right, that's just how you can use this platform to earn some free USDT every single day. But if you decide to, after earning the first one, the VIP 1 is VIP 0, and you decide to withdraw your 10 USDT without coming back, then that's all. You won't be earning. You will definitely need to make deposit before you earn some USDT from here. So guys, to get started, click on the buy button, which is right here. Click on buy, and after clicking this, you will be giving your VIP 0 and you have to go to your tax in order for you to complete tasks. All right, so you click on tasks after getting your free VIP 0 right there. You see, you get it here. Okay, then you see tax here. You can do only 5 tasks every single day. I've already completed 1 today, so you can see it's down here. I've completed 1, so you can go ahead and click on do tax. Then it will take you to the platform. You just maybe like a video or just do what you're supposed to do, like a video or comment, something like that, so you are good to go. Then you come back here and claim your token. So all I have to do is to click here and it's going to take me to TikTok or something like that. So completed the whole 5 tasks already, and to do after completing the task is to come over here and claim your money right here. So you click on this button that says claim money and you're going to say okay, profit added to your account. Now you can see I've collected today's funds, which is 1.25 right here. Now you need to, okay, let's go to wallet. Let me click on wallet and you'll see my funds right there. You can see it right here. Now before you can withdraw this fund, you have to accumulate up to 10 USDT. So as we are on the free VIP, we are going to be accumulating it for the next 8 days. I told you guys earlier on. So guys, it's as simple as that. Do this and you earn some free USDT. And guys, if you want to earn more, I told you, don't just earn your 10 USDT and withdraw. Use it to upgrade your VIP 1 and you keep earning regularly. But if you just want to collect your 10 USDT and walk away, just know you can get it, but you are not going to be earning some more. So it's left for you to make your own decision. Decide on if you want to keep earning or you just want to earn one time and you're gone. It's as simple as that, guys. This platform is new and you can actually take advantage of it right now to accumulate some free USDT every single day. Now you can also share your referral link by coming here, click on invite, then you share a referral link to give your friends, they can come on board, but you won't earn commission if your friends are still on VIP 0. all right, before you can earn commission from the invitation, your friends has to make deposit of the 10 USDT and go to VIP 1. all right, that's how it works. So you can also come over here and click on Telegram, join their Telegram channel and follow up with the news. You can actually communicate in that Telegram group there. You can ask questions if you want to. all right, so you can see these are people that are already participating in a task and they are getting this payment right here. all right, so it's as simple as that, guys. If you want to join us, the links in the description of this video. Go down there, click on it, and you are good to go and you start earning for free some free USDT right here. So guys, if you have VIP 1, your minimum withdrawal is $5 US. You do not need 10 USDT before you can withdraw. So once you get to, if you activate from VIP 1, your minimum withdrawal is 5 USDT. So it's as simple as that, guys. I believe you can quickly hop on this and take maximum advantage of this platform to collect some free USDT that you can use it to keep earning some more if you want to, guys. It's as simple as that, guys. So if you like what I showed in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one, guys. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.